What's up? So just got this figure from Leo Shop sa Shopee. Open him up. So he has Powerpool, lagayan ng Powerpool, bunch of accessories, hands, 3 extra faceplates. Let's open him up. Figure looks good. Medyo may mabigat siya. Ibig sabihin maganda quality pag mabigat. So it's kind of molded over the skin. So may para siyang, hindi lang siya paint, may parang mold kahit paano over the skin. Okay. So plan ko dapat mag-custom ng ganito eh. Pero naunahan tayo ni Demonical Fit sa tagal kong hindi na nag-custom figure. Looks really good. Let's try to put the accessories. Alright, so it looks like it is a new face decal or sculpt. I think it's based from the superhero Goku from SH Figuarts kasi sa ilong medyo mataangas. The hair looks the same. So this is the Powerpool backpack case, and let's take him out. Alright, so this is it. Removing the red piece from the casket case, and then the long Powerpool. So let's check out the extra faces. It seems to be new. This one seems to be an improved version ng SHF. Ito new eyes, new mouth. This one also seems to be the improved version of the SHF faceplate. Some details here. Cool. And I like to put these decals probably in the display, or maybe just the serious looking face. So this Goku release from Demonical Fit is called the Time Vanguard, and this is based on the Sinnoh version of Goku. This is the more serious type Goku from that has experienced events from Dragon Ball GT. So this Goku can definitely turn to Super Saiyan 4. So since they gave us this figure, I'm probably gonna get the SSJ4 version of this, and I'm gonna look for a good deal online. Bye.